Welcome to DICloak. In this video, I'll show you how to use DICloak's RPA features to help you reduce repetitive and routine tasks. Help you transform fixed operational steps into automated processes. In RPA Task, we offer a library of ready-to-use RPA templates. You can directly apply them. Simply select one or multiple profiles. Adjust the parameters according to your needs. The system will execute steps across each profile sequentially. Just like that, it can automatically input text, scroll, and click specified buttons. Beyond using templates, you can create custom RPA workflows. In DICloak, click the Custom RPA button. We provide detailed documentation to guide you. You can download the Automa extension in the browser. Use this tool to create workflows and record your desired actions. Then make adjustments. Alternatively, you can manually drag and drop elements. Build your workflow steps with them. Once your workflow is built, export the file. Upload your workflow file in DICloak. Then you can select the target profiles to execute. In Task History, you can monitor the execution status and view detailed logs. Using RPA to automate repetitive tasks is powerful. It's a great tool to boost your productivity. It's designed to be simple to operate. You can start even without a technical background. Need help customizing other RPA workflows? Contact DICloak Technical Support. We can create dedicated, custom RPA processes for you.